I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and every time I post a new wig review or a wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something. So today I am wearing Enchantress by Main Attraction, and the color on her is Cocoa. This Cocoa is a gorgeous brunette. I'm so excited that I get to try one of these Main Attraction wigs. I want to thank Vogue Wigs for reaching out to me to review this piece for y'all today. So look at this pretty brunette. It is just gorgeous. And we'll talk about the color in just a minute, but I'm going to do a turn so you can see her all the way around. So here's my right side. Pretty layers. The back, make sure I'm back far enough, my left side, and then back to the front. So she is just really pretty. I was so curious about these Main Attraction wigs, so when I got the opportunity to review one for Vogue, I was really excited because I had looked at the styles and I wasn't sure which style I wanted to try and things like that, so it was really great. So since they offered me one, I decided on Enchantress, and I'm so excited to get to a reviewer today. So really pretty piece. I honestly cannot tell a difference in these fibers and any other fibers. I really love the appearance of the fibers. They're very realistic. They're very soft. You know, they just feel like any other synthetic fibers on any other wig. And of course, the Main Attraction line has a lower price point. So really great. This is under $150. So really good price point on her. And she is just fabulous. I mean, I would never know if you put this in some kind of a blind wig test or something, you know, like they used to do with the Pepsi Challenge or whatever. I would not know that this is a less expensive wig compared to other brands. So I'm just really happy with the brand. I think it's a beautiful piece and quality is great. Cap comfort is great. Lace front looks good. You know, I'm just really thrilled with it. So let's jump in and we'll start talking about her and talking about her specs and all that kind of stuff. So measurements on her are, she is 4.7 ounces in weight. Here in the front, she has a bang of 10.75. From the top, she is 9.25 to 13 inches, so she's pretty long. There are some different layers in there. They have an ear tab measurement. She has a lot of measurements. Right here, the hair, I guess, from the ear tab down is 10.75 inches. And then the sides and back range from 9.25 to 12.25 inches. And her nape measurement back here is 11.5 inches. So long piece. Overall measurement on her is 18.75 inches. So she is long, but she's also very versatile with all this length. There's a lot of different styles you can do with her, lots of stuff you can do. I've put her in a pony. I've, you know, pulled the front back with her. There's just a lot of stuff you can do. So her color is called Cocoa, and it is described as a medium brown with golden brown highlights. Just very straightforward, easy to describe. And I can see the reflections of the gold. It's definitely a blend. Maybe out in the sun we'll be able to see a more true highlight, but to my eye, I don't really see much of a highlight. So to me, it looks more like just a color blend. Now they don't give any numbers in the description, so I don't know what the numbers are. It looks to me to be between a 6 and an 8. Maybe it's a 6 blended with an 8 or something like that, because that's where you bring in more of the golden brown. So, but really pretty color. So I'll take her outside in just a bit and we'll look at her out in the sun. All right, let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of the cap. This is where I'm just like, she looks like any other wig. So lace front, mono part, nice, size mono part. temple to temple on that lace front, goes all the way actually onto the ear tab. So all the way to the temple on the lace front, very nicely done. Lace front looks good. I'll show it to you on my head too, but you know, they thin those knots out going towards the edge. So then she has some closed lace here. She doesn't seem to have, no, I don't see any permatease, even on this closed lace part. Just a lot of hair, you know, she just has hair attached there, but no poofy permatease or anything like that. So, and then she's open wefted in the cap. She has an extended nape that's, you know, the soft, velvety, felty stuff. She's got the Velcro adjusters, which are great. And then she's got the velvety, soft ear tabs with lots of hair attached to those ear tabs, so which is nice for, you know, pulling her back off of the face. So let me pop her back on and we'll look at her lace front and her mono top and everything, and her ear tabs. Get her all straightened out. She's a lot of hair, so she takes a minute to straighten out. Okay, so lace front on her. Lace front is nice. Make sure I got it in the right place here. Okay, so as you can see, I mean, the knotting is good. I can see the knots, but you see how they lighten them up, you know, towards the end. There are fewer hairs going, the closer you get to the lace front. It makes it look very natural. The knots are pretty tiny. I'm perfectly happy with the lace front. I think it looks great. And then the mono part is pretty tight. I'm not getting a lot of scalp exposure there. So might be something that if you want to see, you know, there is monofilament under there. So if you want to see more of the appearance of scalp, you might want to, you know, go in and pluck that. I don't think I'm going to, because that doesn't really bother me. It just looks like you have a lot of hair, you know, but really, really pretty, nice part. It is a left side mono part though, so. Okay, and then ear tabs. Ear tabs are nice. They're a little funky right in here. You know, again, this is a lower price point wig, so you're gonna see a few little places where there's some little compromises made. So when you do pull her back, you're just gonna wanna kind of pull her back gently, maybe pull out a little, you know, a little hair, pull the hair down a little bit over that when you pull her back, and you won't even see that. So, but the ear tabs are good. I mean, the metal in them it feels like a thin piece, but it seems to be staying in place really well. And, you know, the hair is, you're able to tuck it behind the ears fine. It's comfortable, not a problem there. So I think that she would be fine as far as, you know, putting glasses on and off and things like that. Oh yeah, no problem at all. She's very comfortable taking glasses on and off. So that's something I'm trying to cover in my videos now, because I'm seeing questions about your sunglasses and your glasses and stuff like that. So I'm trying to throw that in there. So anyway, but you know, really, really pretty, with the exception of a little bit of, you know, cap showing through on those ear tabs. But again, that would just be something that you need to be conscious of when you pull her back. You know, just pull the hair back, pull her back low, as opposed to pulling her back up like this, you know. Just do something with that hair and pull it down and disguise that little spot on the ear tab, and you will have no problem at all. So let's take her outside and we will look at this gorgeous Cocoa brunette outside in the sunlight. Okay, so now we are outside with this color Cocoa from Main Attraction. And I think in the camera I am picking up those highlights just a little bit. There's just a slight variation in the two colors where you do have a little bit of that gold that's showing through. But it's definitely not a pronounced highlight that we're really gonna see a highlight. But oh my gosh, I just love this brunette. It's gorgeous. So really, really pretty. This is in, of course, indirect sunlight under the patio cover, so you can really see it. And then we'll walk out in the sun here. Let's see, without falling in the pool preferably. Let me get where the sun's not in my face here. There we go. Okay, so sunlight on it now. So, you know, it does bring out those gold, you know, that kind of golden brown in it when you get it in the sun. Really, really pretty. I just love it. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. You can see that, what I'm talking about out here in the natural light, you can see what I'm saying about that part is kind of tight. So, but it still looks really pretty. So let's go back inside. Okay, so we are back inside now with this beautiful Enchantress by Main Attraction in the color Cocoa. So now I want to talk about different ways that you can style her. Obviously, with her length and her layers, you have lots of options. I think your only obstacle with your styling, of course, is that little funky ear tab thing, but like I said, you can pull the hair down in a certain way and you'll be able to block that out. So, you know, her lace front is great. So you can do all kinds of, pulling back of the top up here, pull it back up in a claw clip on top or whatever. Great lace front, and that lace front is so long. It goes to here, truly temple to temple lace front. So, you've got lots of room there to pull it back and just if you want it out of your face or if you just want to wear it differently, you can do that. You can pull back, of course, just a little bit. You could give her a really pretty twist. Clip her back like that, one-sided, or you could do it two-sided if you wanted to. Really, really cute. So, that's very pretty, kind of romantic looking. You can pull it back, back like this, but like I said, you just want to be conscious of these. You either want to pull down hair and leave hair down. That's one option to block those, just to block that little funky place on the ear tab. And that could just be this wig. Sometimes, there's just little flaws in one particular wig. I don't know if it would be like that in all wigs, but I have to point it out. If I see it on my wig, I need to tell you guys that I saw it. So, but you can just leave a little hair out, clip it back like that. She can go in a ponytail, easily. She's got an extended nape, so perfect for a ponytail. Lots of pretty hair back there for a ponytail. I'm sure that you could put her in a ponytail and wear her with a ball cap, whatever. So you can dress her up, you can dress her down, you could braid her, you could do the, updo twist with her where you, twist it around and put it up. So casual or dressy, there's just, it's long hair, right? You've got lots of options. So these fibers are on the drier side, I would say, and they are tangling some. So anytime you have a long synthetic, you're gonna need to carry your wide tooth comb with you, and then just throughout the day, as she's starting to tangle, especially if we're going into the winter months and she's gonna be rubbing on different fabrics, sweaters and scarves and stuff like that, you're just gonna wanna give her a little gentle comb and try to keep those tangles out as much as possible. Also, make sure that when you wash her and condition her, let her soak in that conditioner for a little while and then spray, with some silicone spray, or I like the Hair You Wear, oops, I dropped it. I like this spray a lot, sorry. That was kind of silly. Anyway, I like this Restore spray. It's got silicone in it, but it's not so heavy. So every time, actually when I wash my wigs, I shampoo them, I condition them, and then I spray them just on the ends going towards, so on this, I would probably go from the nape down to the ends and just spray it and leave that in and let it dry with that in there on the wig. So really helpful for keeping those ends conditioned. And with a long synthetic, you're gonna get some knotting, you're gonna get some tangling, but I'm not feeling like right now, I wore her like almost all day yesterday so I could really see how much she tangled, and about what she's tangling now, where I'm getting some snags but not too many, that's about how she tangled on me all day yesterday. So, really impressed with her. As far as this price point is amazing on this wig, and she's a beautiful style. So I recommend her, give her a try. Like I said, no permatease that I can find anywhere on her. The cap, I have, of course, the petite average head, 21-inch circumference, and I'm 11 inches from ear to ear, so definitely I'm a petite. And there's plenty of room back here in the cap, but yet for my small head, I was able to cinch her up, and she's, you know, she's comfortable, she's staying on. I would probably put a wig grip on in addition to my wig cap, just because I do have a petite head, and that's typical for me with an average cap wig. So I think I have covered everything about her. I think she is a beautiful wig. Again, I want to thank Vogue Wigs for sending her to me to review today. The information for purchasing her will be below in the information section of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time, bye.